Use of garden chemicals. Beautiful home and community gardens are a result of regular maintenance by dedicated gardening enthusiasts who practice careful pest control measures to keep their gardens in the pink of health. While prevention is better than cure, it may not be possible for us to stop recurrent infections or certain pests and diseases from attacking our plants. As such, we may need to resort to the usage of garden pesticides to help remove the pest or infection. There are two main categories of insecticides: chemical insecticides that have a much stronger and long-lasting effect, and organic or natural insecticides that are gentler on the environment. Most locally available insecticides are either systemic or contact insecticides. Systemic insecticides are absorbed by plant tissues and can remain in circulation within the plant for 2 to 3 weeks, during which any insects feeding on the plant will be killed off. On the other hand, contact insecticides need to be sprayed onto the insect pests directly and have to be applied repeatedly. Before applying any insecticide, remember to read the labels and follow the instructions closely. Some pesticides may need to be diluted before use. For such products, always follow the instructions on the labels for dilution. Remember to add only the specified amounts of water. Over-dilution with too much water will result in a mixture that will be too weak to kill off pests. Whereas under-dilution will produce a mixture that is too strong and may be harmful to the environment. Before spraying pesticides, it is important to wear protective clothing, like gloves, to avoid coming into contact with the chemicals. Take care not to breathe in the chemicals or allow them to come in contact with your eyes. Do not spray when the weather is too hot or in full sun, as you will risk scorching the leaves. Do not spray when raining, as the insecticide will be washed away. After spraying, pour excess chemicals into empty containers and dispose of them properly. Do not pour chemicals into drains or canals, as this will contaminate our source of drinking water and kill aquatic life such as fish and crustaceans as it drains into the sea or the reservoir. Do not spray pesticides on edible plants, for example, 10 to 14 days before harvesting for consumption. In case of accidents, flush the affected areas with water and seek medical attention immediately. Wash your spray containers and any tools that come into contact with the chemicals thoroughly. Store pesticides in a proper place, out of reach from children and pets. Store them in properly labeled containers so that pesticides will not be mistaken for other liquids.